All right, here is a guide for the problem 1-63 on the homework 1.22. It's really asking us, is there a way, or can we visualize moving a line onto a circle so that it intersects that circle at 1 point? Can we visualize or move it so it intersects a circle at 2 points? Can we visualize or move it so it intersects a circle at 3 points? I'm going to illustrate each on the Desmos eTool, and then I'm going to write a short description of it to just fully answer the question. So I go to the eTool, and the first thing I'm going to do is try to make this line, red line, intersect the circle at 1 point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring that point over to here, the one that I can move, and I'm going to zoom in so that I know I am on top of it. As you can see, it's a little off. Make sure it's right on top of that point. And then we're going to swing the other point around so that we know it's intersecting because we saw it when we zoomed in, and we want it just to intersect that circle at 1 point right there. All right, and so there would be my illustration. If you would be so kind, you can snipping tool it or screenshot it so you can add it. But that would be 1 point. How I would describe it is possible, because it might not be, but this one, it is possible. It touches the circle at just 1 point on the outer edge of the circle. Okay. 2 points. Can a straight line intersect a circle at 2 points? We'll see if we can illustrate that with the eTool, and I believe I can. I want to go maybe like right here, and I think this would qualify. It cuts right through the edge of the circle. It intersects once right here, and it intersects once right here. So I got my 2 points of intersection. So we can say it is possible. It cuts through the circle and touches two edges. 3 points, we'll see. We'll bring it up. Is there a way that I can somehow swing this around so that I intersect 3 points? I think everything, if I zoom in, everything is going to be 2 points, 2 points, 2 points. If I get out to 3 points, then I'm just on the outside of the circle again, so I'm not intersecting. It's tough. I could even zoom in more. You could zoom in so close, and it looks like you might be able to, but there is no way that I can see or fathom, or anybody can see or fathom, having 3 points of intersection with a straight line in a circle. So what we say is, not possible, maxes. This is while I'm writing it, you could change it. It maxes. I can't write maxes. It is maxed out at 2 intersections. Again, it would be nice, because it says in the problem, if you could illustrate it, if you want to illustrate it by hand, or if you want to use the eTool and screenshot it in to the homework so I can see that you tried it, that would be the best case scenario.